Okay, here is look at in much more detail of the income statements. As you can see, it's much more complex than the earlier examples. You see net sales, cost of sales, gross profit, right? Opening expense, both cash and non-cash operating expense, and you see other income, right, or expenses. This line represent the things that somehow is not related directly to your core operations, right? And we put income or expenses from the other operations. Maybe you use your excess cash to buy the stocks for the other company, so that company operation is not related to your operation, so you have to put the other incomes or expenses in this section, right? Maybe you buy the stocks for the other company, you receive dividend, you use excess cash to buy bond, right? You get the coupon, right? Coupon. So those coupon and dividend payment received should be in this section. And you see extraordinary item like loss from the earthquake or flood, right? Destruction should be included before you calculate net income, but after tax. Okay, you do this after tax, and then you can get earning per share, right? You take earning available to common stock divided by share outstanding. So let's practice by constructing the income statements for GAAP corporations, right? Use the information to calculate the firm's gross profit, EBIT, and net income for the year end January 31st, right, 2009. Okay, and also calculate the firm's earning per share and dividend per share. So this is the information, right, that the questions give you. So your job is to know, you need to know the format of income statement, which one come first, which one come later, okay? And then you can put this information into the format, right? This is the structure of the format, right? Cost structure, revenue minus expense equal to profit. And you can also arrange this to be this pattern, right? Revenue minus cost of goods sold equals to gross profit, and blah 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 until you get net income. So your job is to put the number into the format, right? You see revenue you got from the question, less cost of goods sold also from the question, and then you get gross profit until you're dealing with net income. Once you get net income, which is 930 million, right? You divide it by share outstanding, you get EPS $1.3 per share, and dividend per share will be the total dividend payment 243 million divided by the same amount of share outstanding, you get $0.34 per share. Okay, so if you want to reconstruct GAAP's income statement, assuming the firm is able to cut its cost of goods sold by 10%. If you can cut cost of goods sold by 10%, what happened? Of course, you get more net profit, right? And where the firm pays tax at 40% tax rate, okay? What should be your new net income and earning per share? Okay, so same thing. You can just reduce cost of goods sold, right? You see, reduce it by 10% and change the tax rate to be 40% of earning before tax. You will get new cost of goods sold, right, to be 8171100,000, right? And then you get new tax payment 40%. You see 9819600,000, and you also get new net income. Okay. Once you get new net income, you divide by number of share outstanding. You get earning per share 2.06, right? 2.06, and dividend per share. You see, you have the same dividend per share, right? No matter how many percent cost you can reduce, right? You get the same dividend per share because dividend total amount of dividend payment has nothing to do with net income. Somehow, management need to satisfy with, satisfy the investor by keep paying with the high dividend. So dividend per share will be the same at this case, right? Okay, so the firm is profitable since it earned net income of 1,472,940,000, and the shareholders were able to earn, right, to earn 2.06 per share, as you can see from the calculation. However, DPS will be the same, right? Because of the fixed decision of management.